Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. And I'm putting it out right there right now. As soon as I sat down here, started to get ready to film, my little friend was sitting by the window and all of a sudden, hop, here she is. Here is the little cutie, so you may see her. You may see her throughout the video. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. And she's rubbing her head on the boxes. Today, we are going to do an unboxing. We're going to continue the Khols sandal shoe haul. Khols this year, maybe every year, but I haven't gone in a long time. So this year, I just happened to go there, and wow, were they having a really good sale on shoes, sandals, which I really needed since mine are getting pretty old, and there can't be a better time to get sandals when they're on sale, half price or more, right? So let's start off with continuing our sandal shoe haul. Now, if you have seen on the last haul, I love the Birkenstock sandals. So these are the look-alike Birkenstock. So I hauled 4 pairs on the last haul, and these are kind of like the knockoffs too. So I'm going to show you 1, 2, so I got 3. Okay, so I have 3 pairs. You notice the Birkenstock have them also. I'll show you the picture here. That's how it looks, size 6. And what did it say? $19.99. Genuine leather. So let's take a look at them. Let's open them. I opened them up in the store really quick, tried them on real quick, and then so I don't really linger too much in the store. Oh my goodness, look how cute. This is definitely my style and so comfortable. Like, you just throw these on and you can run to all the theme parks. You can shop for hours. You can stroll in the park. You can do whatever you want with a beautiful sandal like this. And like I told you in the last haul, it's like a rubberized kind of a very skid resistant bottom. So it's like you can't go wrong here in this hot heat wave Florida sun. So these are how this style. They're white, which obviously will go with anything. So I'm going to put them down here so that way they're not going to be in the way. Those are the size 6. Here's another. So no, I think this is the same style, and this one says brown. And they're Sonoma ones. Size 6 genuine leather, brown. Let's take a look. Oh wow. And I'm looking at them, not for the first time, because obviously I looked them in the store, but like I said, in the store, I look at them really quick. There's people around me, and I'm like, ooh, let me just put these on and go. So I want to take a better look. Oh, look how nice. That's how the side looks. And then this side here, like this. Wow, these are nice bottoms. So these will be really, really good. These, honestly, I'll show you again. The last pair, this pair, $19.99. On sale from $49.99. So from $50 to $20. And these, honestly, in Florida, we wear these year-round. We'll wear these in January and February. So it's not like they have like a limit. I'm going to wear them all the time. And especially with this color. The white ones, I will put a draw to it, maybe September, October, but something like this. And the other black ones I hold, I'll be throwing those on all the time. So very, very nice shoes, and my style. And wow, over 60% off, over half off, over. So look at these. These are so nice too. These are black ones. These are 6.5, and I'm either 6 or 6.5. A 6 is usually fits better. 6.5 is just fine though. Also, so 6.5, $20. These ones say black, but look at this. These ones are nice. These have like a braiding on them. I don't know if you can see in the. I hope you can see in the light. I may have to do another video where I try these on, which I think is what I'll do. And I'm going to try them on in the daylight. The thing is, it gets dark so fast now that you rush home and you can't even make the haul video because it's already dark. So I'm going to try and do I'll do another video with all the shoes when I try them on and in the like daylight so you can see the details. But these up here it has a braiding on it. And then there's how that looks, like that, and like that. So nice. I'm like surprised myself that I even found something like this for these prices. And a good quality there at Khols, because genuine leather, the Sonoma brand, that's a good brand that they have. And these ones, I like these. These were the Lauren Conrad shoes. These are upside down, and since they were on sale, this one didn't even have a lid, but I don't know why they put the tags on upside down. So I'm going to turn the box upside down so you can see. Lauren Conrad, size 6, and these were $11.99. Okay, isn't that nice? $12? How much were they originally? And now I'm curious. Let's take a look. $30. So again, more than half price, 60%. So how cute. A simple sandal, slide-in sandal, simple, but beautiful, no? Look at that. Look at this. And this will go with any dress, any shorts, skirt, just about any outfit. Leggings. So these ones were the size 6. So and soft. That's what I like about all these shoes. They're so soft. So that's these. And then I'm gonna grab a little sip here of my tea. It was still really hot today. Yesterday and the last few days we broke records. It got up to 97 degrees. That's not with the heat index. I don't even want to tell you the heat index. I think like 118 or 114. It was outrageous. So hot. But then last night it rained, and then today it rained early evening, so it was a little bit cooler. It was really, really nice. So I decided, I'm going to take a little trip to Khols, and just happened to find these cute little shoes. But I didn't do an outdoor video. It would have been really nice to do an outdoor one, but I'm going to try and do one this weekend. Hopefully we'll get some cooler evenings or mornings. Now these ones here, this one's the same as those gold ones. These are black. This one had the lid. Lauren Conrad, size 6, $11.99. Oh wow, and how nice. Oh, look at these little, like this. Here's my friend, the same but different. Does that make sense? This had more like a woven, and this isn't woven. It has like a little braiding, like a little detail on it. It's the same top and bottom, as these are different top and bottom. But oh my goodness, like equally as nice. Slide them in and you're ready to go. Go with anything, any outfit. Like I said, shoe, any dress or any shorts or anything. She couldn't, the cat couldn't come this way because I had the shoe boxes, so she's kind of circling around. So, okay, let's put this back and then this back. So another, for $11.99, Lauren Conrad, the designer ones, a nice, I will be making good use out of these shoes. I'm going to tell you that much. For those prices, I will definitely be updating my shoe collection, my sandal collection. These ones, so now these I have, they're 2 different colors, but they're this. Here she comes. I'm just going to let her, hold on a minute, everyone, hold on. We've got to make her appearance. It wouldn't be a haul if someone didn't make her appearance. Go on. Do you want to say hi to everyone? You want to say hi? You want to give everyone a little kiss? What do you want to... No, don't do that. You want to... Come on. Let's give everyone a little kiss right here in the camera. There we go. There we go. Do you want to show the last two pairs? She rubs her head on the boxes. Oh, the cutest. We've got two pairs left. Shall we show them? We'll show them and then we'll be on our way, okay? then I will rub your head all you like. So these ones, this is another good brand from Khols, Croft and Barrow. They make the nicest clothes also, like everything Croft and Barrow. Oh, you can't see me. I have a little bowl here, and I put these little things in the bowl, and she's in there playing. I put them in there on purpose so she could play with them. Because cat toys, when you buy cat toys, will she play with no, she'll go for all my little home decor and my little pumpkins and everything else. So I decided I'm going to put those in the bowl for her. And yep, sure enough. All right, let's look at these shoes. Sweetheart, we don't have to clean ourselves right here, do we? Can we scooch over and clean ourselves? There we go. Good girl. Nope. Nope, this is the spot. I have to put my shoes here. I've got to put the shoes here to show everybody. I've got to put them here. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Come on over this way. Good girl. There you go. A little protest, but I think we're good. And then let me show you these. Croft and Barrel. These are black. I must tell you, these are so soft. This is how the side looks. This side, it's got a buckle. It looks like this, up and down. And soft, so soft. These ones were both 6.5, so they had the 6.5 on these. But, again, other ones, these are with anything all the time. In the winter, I'll be putting them on because they're black too. That goes with anything all season. Oh my goodness, my feet are gonna love these. I have to tell you. So another score. Oh, did I show you the price? Let's look at the price together. $17.99. $17.99. So in some kind of special look, kind of like a special kind of design. Ortholite Eco. I'm telling you, they are nice. They were $44, so, which even that is a good price for a nice shoe like that. And then last but not least, and it's again the Croft and Barrow 6.5, and it's the brown. Yep, they call it brown. And this is how they look. Simple, classic, nice. Got your banding here. You got your one buckle. You've got a tiny little heel. And soft, the softest cushion you will almost ever lay your feet on. Right here. So there was no way. I just had to update because they will last me through all next year, and then next year we'll go back and we'll see what they have. So if even anything. So there is part 2 of the sandal haul, and believe it or not, there is going to be a part 3, because part 3 is the dressy ones. I say them, they're the dressy ones, the little higher heel ones, and I want to show you what I got in that, which is nice to have too. So everyone, have a wonderful evening, a wonderful day, and if you like these videos with hauls, please hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as a friend. So would my other little friend there. And everyone have a wonderful, wonderful night. And please hit the like. Thanks, everyone. Bye.